Good day, everybody. Today I have another review for you. It is one from Nomatic that I have done 2 other reviews for. One was their 6-liter sling, and then the other one was their travel tech case from their Navigator. This one is their accessory case, and I think this is fun. It's just from their original line, I think. I'm not sure exactly. They retail for $64.99 Canadian, and they are on sale as factory, like they have visual defects on the front. Anyway, we'll get into that right now, into the video. Okay, so we're just going to pop right into the little card here. It's a Nomatic accessory case. Keeps cords, action cameras, chargers, and all other accessories organized in this protective case. It has customized organization with included dividers, bigger one that folds in half, which we'll get into in here, and then another tiny one that you can see here. It measures 8.25 inches tall by 5.5 wide by 3.75 in depth, and they have a lifetime warranty. Right now, I already do have something in here, which is a handheld gimbal camera that is from another Indiegogo that I was going to do a review on, but I'm still waiting for them to do firmware updates and stuff because their suppliers for the SDK aren't working right now. So I have this gimbal camera in here in this space. Let's turn this around. So you got this long space here, a little hole, and then this one here, which you can take the dividers out and put it whichever way you want. This was perfect for me. It was this way right from the get-go, and it fit my gimbal camera in there perfectly. Pop that out and give you a little show. I will be doing a review on this at some point, just not right at the moment, as I'm still waiting for them to update the firmware. So that fits nicely right in here. And then I got a little microphone that I'm going to try to hook up to this as a test at some point. And then its little mount, it has a GoPro mount and that on it. Fits very nicely in here. Nice and sturdy inserts. This thing is built quite well. It's like a soft hard case. You got your little pouch up here, your cords and whatever else you want to put up there, SD cards, batteries, what have you. All your small stuff you can't fit in your other bag if it's too small or whatever. Got a little handle out here. All in all, I very much like it, especially for the price point right at the moment, because it is on for 45 Canadian on their website right now. And they have distribution center in Ontario, Canada, and then one in the US somewhere. I can't remember exactly where. And then they have a third, which I also cannot remember where it is, because I think they had to move it at some point or something in the last year. Decently made. And even for it being factory defect, for like, I think it was a visual defect. I can pop it up right now and see, I think, cosmetic factory defects, which I don't know if you can tell. Where are they? They're along the edges here. See, you can see a little bit here of that line and whatnot. It was like something else pressed on it for a little while. And then like this was half off at least. I'm fairly certain I paid less than 45 Canadian for this at the time I bought it. So it might have been one of the worst ones, which in my case wasn't really even that bad because most of these have buffed out already. I can barely even tell. So right now it's a very good deal. I will leave links in the description below to their website and to this case specifically. My opinion is an all-around good case. Keep your stuff, your camera accessories, action cameras and whatnot quite protected. Can't beat it at this price at the moment. Go check out the links. Go get yourself one. These are not affiliate links, as I'm just sharing it because I like the company and their products seem to be excellent. Thank you very much for watching my review on the Nomatic accessory case. If you like my review, please leave a like and consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. For more content in the future. I will be slowing down a little bit here for the summertime because I am going back to work as I live in a little resort town and summertime's are bread and butter. So I will be doing as many reviews as I can during the summertime as much as possible. I will try to keep to doing 2 a week, hopefully. I'll probably slow down a little bit here once we get working. But anyway, thank you very much for watching and please leave a like if you did like the video. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.